Hello everyone, we take a day to recover. And recovering for us means not doing nothing, but we have some jobs to do today. I will continue with the foil and Marjolein is inside doing another sewing job. Hello. What are you doing?
I'm trying to make something.
Can you explain it?
Yeah, like Hermen asked me to make something to store away his spanners in the toolbox. But I'm certainly not professional at doing this, so I hope it will become something.
I'm sure it will become something.
I think it will work, but I don't know if it will look nice. But at least it looks very happy, right?
It looks very happy.
Yeah.
Okay, good luck.
Thank you.
Alright, we are continuing with the story from vlog 39, the foil. Then I attached the fuselage to the mast. And in the meantime I did something as well. I made the connection to attach the wing, the front wing, on the fuselage. So I will show you how that works. 2 screws. And I still need to grind these off. But today I'm going to fill all these holes that are unnecessary to make it a smooth fuselage. And I'm going to attach the back wing onto the fuselage. So in the end of the day it hopefully looks like this. Let's go! 2. The holes are drilled. Now I need to get this thing in, the bolt. Alright, that's solid. So, you're getting there, eh?
Yeah.
It looks so nice.
Why are you laughing then?
I think it's also a little bit funny. Are you proud of your creation?
I don't know yet, but it's kind of interesting. So far I made this one.
Yeah.
And then I'm going to stitch them like this.
Alright.
So maybe in the end of the day you have something.
Nice. I kind of like it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, with a full stomach I can continue the work again. And the second part is making this nice and flat. I want to fill these holes with polyester, and then it will be flat instead of holes. Alright. Polyester, because my epoxy is finishing slowly. Polyester will do the job, I guess. I'm always messing with those polyesters and epoxy stuff, but you know, when it dries it will be fine. And we'll have a look inside how Marjolein is doing. And are you ready?
Almost.
Yeah? Wow. I'm happy with my new tool bag. Next time I can start my job really professional. By the way, if you look for a professional channel, Sailing Exodus, it's Wim and Anja working on their boat, and they do really nice jobs on their catamaran, so check out the channel, we will put the link here. And tomorrow we have our Q&A, so if you want to ask questions for that, you are still able to do that on sailingmessenger@gmail.com or under the video. For now, thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Peace out.